Hey everyone, this is Chris over at BMW Freeport. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to activate your auto rain sensing wipers on your 2021 BMW 4 Series Coupe. So the first thing you're going to want to do is push this up once to activate your auto rain sensing wipers, as shown by the green LED light. Now you see that the windshield wipers are working when rain is on the windshield. And to adjust how fast or slow you want it to wipe, just push it up for fast. And as you see, it gets faster, and to adjust it back to slow, you just push it down to your liking. To deactivate this, you just push down once, and your auto rain sensing wipers will deactivate. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day, and if you have any questions, please contact us over at BMW Freeport, located at 291 West Sunrise Highway, Freeport, New York.